You show me where supposedly people think, oh, look at this fib, man, it hit this fib perfectly, and blah blah blah. I'll show you a deviation level.
Yeah, sure. Every time.
Definitely.
It's either VRE or a volatility range. It's ridiculous. They hit every time. It's not one, it's the other.
That is buck makes me so happy when I see that kind of shit. I love it. Love it. Love teaching. Love talking about it. Love seeing people absorb it and start doing the same in the chat. It's like, oh my goodness. It's like you're just having little volatility babies. Yeah, where was that at? Where was that daily? Here we go. Yeah, it's definitely in the daily. I could definitely see this freaking weekly get tested. Let's see. I'm in an outlier in the 15-minute. Not a lot going on the turns oscillator. Definitely setting up some bull dip right now as we speak in the 15. Maybe we just tested the top, a little volatility expansion. And right, we all know this is what I'm looking for. People are like, well, how do you know when to start looking? I mean, you're not just sitting at your desk just staring at the charts. Well, I'm a psycho, so yeah, I am. But that's when I'm looking for entries. This is the key, right? I know when that's like that. I'm like, okay, we totally contracted volatility. Volatility is going to expand. So, considering it was a contraction positively correlated going into the down move, and then right into expansion negatively correlated, right? That's exactly how things ebb and flow usually. So you see that coming and you're like, then you're over here looking. Get this little outlier as well. But then what did it, the returns oscillator? That's why this thing's so just freaking great. I was looking at a 15-minute move the other day. RSI wasn't even close. Had all lower lows, while the return oscillator on the 15-minute had 3 different stabs of bull divergence. And the last one bounced right off the zero mean, and we had like $1,000 move or something. And if you're looking at the RSI, you're just going, "Oh man, the RSI is oversold. Well, it's gonna move at some point. Oh, should I get an entry? I've been burned so many times because the RSI can just snake around down here forever and be oversold." Yeah, oversold means there's a fucking lot of people selling. How the hell are you gonna know when it's over if you don't understand about the divergence between price action and returns? You're not gonna know. You're just waiting. You're gonna market into a position. You're not good enough to be able to set an entry and get a limit order filled. This is where most are failing miserably. Fees eating away at their profits, if there's any at all. Because if you're flowing like that, it's not a very good flow. Chances are you're marketing out of positions. If you're making money at all, you're probably sitting in too long. Maybe you're losing your profit. Maybe you're even setting stop losses, letting your stop losses get hit. You're a total degen. You're trading the most volatile market ever known, right? This is the beast you're dealing with. And you want to use leverage? Do people realize? Do they even understand what leverage is for? It's for non-volatile assets. So you can make bigger profits because it's moving slow as shit. Small percentage moves. So you go 50, 75, 100x. Do you realize that you can, on 4x, there's exchanges you can go 500x. I think there's even some that do 1,000. It's ridiculous. And then you got all these scammy ass crypto people that open up these exchanges and offer leverage trading cryptocurrency. It's a fucking scam. It's beyond a scam. And other YouTubers are just now catching on to it. Seriously? This has been going on forever. Oh, shit. Hilarious. But yeah, guys, if you're listening to this stream, for God's sakes, man, wake up. Quit listening to these people. and their stupid market analysis. For real. I mean, do you not know by now? Do you not see how these people flip-flop? These people aren't real. They want your clicks. That's all they want. They damn sure don't know how to read the markets. And there's one guy in particular that, because I know how passionate he is about markets, that boggles my fucking mind that he just doesn't see this and wishes to teach and sell a product that is a total scam. Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. Well, we're going to keep plugging away and doing what we do. We save one trader at a time. That's what we're about. We're not about getting flooded. I mean, a lot of people come in and out, right? And they see it, the lower level to get in the Discord's like $10 a month, and they're like, huh, gammers. Huh. It's like, that's why these people don't realize what they're missing. They just don't get it. So I hope they're listening to this and they hear me say, I could give a shit less if you join our Discord. We will save one trader at a time when they realize that there is a better way, and you want to really learn how to analyze these markets. Goodness gracious. It's awesome having an infinite supply of exit liquidity for our low time frame volatility trades. That's why you're never going to hear me shilling anything. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just showing you what we do. And if you see something, I'd highly suggest you come check our Discord out. We're here to help. And there we go. We're going to test this weekly. Yep. This is what I kind of thought too. I thought we'd get like a nice wick down into this weekly. Let's see if it kicks up from the top side though. We're definitely having a nasty little outlier. And this is not, what is this? The 99 length, 30, is that 30.575, 30.575. Yeah, it's about at the center. Yeah, we're probably going to get down into the center of the weekly maybe here. Or who knows, right? We know how volatile this market is. This son of a bitch could give that whole move back in the first 3 15-minute candles in the day. That's why I love Bitcoin. It is just freaking epic. Epic, epic, epic. But people seem to need to use leverage to make money in this market. Wow. And you wonder why you're broke. Living in a van down by the river. It's okay. Let's see. What did traditional markets? I know SPY. Whoops, what do you do? SPY was just up a tid. Let's see. Yeah, just 0.3%. I want to look at it though, because I know it gapped up big time this morning, pre-market, woo, above the weekly. Right? I see that, and right where it opens up, I mean, look at these wicks bouncing off the top side of the 68.3. All right, that's beautiful. But right, boom, this is profit taking area right here, and boom, you got it. Big time. And then it rejects right off the R1 on the weekly and goes down and tests the new weekly range. Closed above the center on a nice doji coming off a very volatile 15-minute candle going into the end of the day there. This would be interesting. Probably get another gap up. We're like, why is he talking about SPY? Well, because they are correlated. Yeah. Look at that outlier in the 15-minute. What a beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. I'm not done with Bitcoin. Hold on. Get up there. Yee-haw! That's some action right there. That's some action. Tell you. So it's a 1.9% move in first 10 minutes of the 15-minute candle. Go see how long it takes a Forex pair to move 1.9%. And then you'll understand leverage. Oh, shit. Where are you? Onion. Well, I tell you what, look at pound yen, man. What a great trade that was. How much was this total? Now, you get my fucking point? All you crackhead degens out there using leverage. Look at that 15-minute chart. Looks like a massive fucking move. You realize that'd probably be about 10% Bitcoin move? I mean, price action like that? Guys, it's a 1.65% move. That's all that was. Bitcoin just did that in a 15-minute candle. It's kind of the point I was trying to make. That, man, you're dealing with a monster here. You want to sit there and use leverage trading freaking cryptocurrency, and then you wonder why you're getting broke all the time? Come on, DGen. God, do something with your life. That would just be exchange liquidity, my exit liquidity, so on and so forth. They're like, well, what do you mean exit liquidity? Because we take profit while you sit in trades. You know how many ding dongs were probably long right here and didn't take their fucking profit? I'm telling you, man, it's ridiculous. Literally ridiculous. They just gave away half. Now they're just praying. They're like, oh God, okay, now suck up from here. I'm sure that hit one of their crazy little fucking squiggly lines or something that they think works. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Take your profit. This is why when I say other traders are my exit liquidity, it's because I'm always taking profit. It's like, thank you very much. I'm up here taking profit. There's some ding dong going fucking 50x buying right into my limit zone. Up here, people buying tops. This is another good thing too. You go over here. I mean, price action ran up, got a little bit by the first standard deviation on the weekly, just like last week, right? What are we seeing here? I even said last week, I was like, it's not going to shock me at all if we revisit this wick. 32,250. But right out of the gate, I mean, you guys, there's a lot, just straight from the distribution, high probability, we're bouncing here. Right? Very high probability. Absolutely fantastic. Let me see something. Two more. I'm interested. Taking a peeky poo. 1, 2. Whoop. What? Oh. Whoopsie daisy. Sorry, guys. Six, 13. Lucky number 13. It's another thing. Works both ways. Anybody that uses this, I don't even have to say what I'm looking at, right? Everybody immediately is going, yeah, that's what you're going to see usually. Very high probability. You get a 2-week run right to the 95 for Laplace rejection. I just wanted to see on those 2 weekly candles. Guaranteed. Come back here. Same thing. So it's all about probabilities for us. All about it. Big time. Really helps. When there's people buying tops and selling bottoms, alpha traders are just going, Thank you. Right? Because we're not in trade. We're not taking those trades anymore. We're out of these positions. Got a weekly. Did a little 68.3 Laplace. Bounce the Rooney. Down we go. Yeah. Let me pop. Where, oh, where? Ding, I need to turn off. Yes. Doing and doing. Huh. This is the week. Quite get down to that 997. But, you know, did a 2 SD move. And boop, up from there. Where was all-time high? Right there, yes. This will be important right here. It's right at the 1 SD. Be interesting to see what SPY does when it gets up there about 420. Did he say 420? Yep, I did. Bilbo, what are all these dots that get hit? Join the freaking Discord. Degens with your traditional TA. If that's what you do use and you happen upon this video and you're like, wow, what is happening right now? This guy is a psychiatrist. So, yeah, we're dipping. We're right at the center of the weekly. Now, this price action, we get this thing, this price action comes all the way back down right now. You're going to see YouTube Jimmy saying, well, we had one of those BARTs again. We had a BART. Did you see the BART? The one YouTube Jimmy I was talking about a BART. And I was just like, lovely. Oh, good Lord. That's when you know it's a cult. They're making up fucking shit like that. I'm running out of shit to talk about. What happened? Get off there. Soaking up the knowledge. Nice. Little Chinese kid does it a little better. Little Chinese kid actually looks like it's actually working. This guy's smashing it into his forehead. That's a great gift. People listening to or watching the video are going to be like, what the hell is he talking about? Well, go in the stream chat. Look at the funny bald man smashing knowledge into his forehead. Well, that's what I was going to do. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's not a continuous market. Okay. Boy, Spy loves to stay in that one SD. Got down to 2 SD right there. See how the daily flipped around. Starting to have an outlier on the daily. Wow. The hell, man, that's strange. Telling you, there's some hidden bulls setting up. Pretty strong, too. But obviously, you can see reverse wave trend on the SPY just kicking its ass, right? And the 33 line variance log moving average. Both right there. I don't even have the variance colors on it, though. Let's just say log return moving average. I'm sure there'll be some goofy out there going, MJ, you want to learn how to trade real quick? Any questions? Apparently, I'm just sitting here talking to myself.
Nah, I'm here. I got dogs barking.
I don't give a crap. I'm getting bored. I'm sure you can get 15 minutes out of that first part to put on YouTube.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Faux
show. Yeah, this would be hilarious if we give up this move.
Yeah, I did. It's funny shit. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this log return Z score is just hammered to the top side. Hidden bear div. So it won't shock me. I'll tell you that right now. Good thing is there's no hidden bear on the returns oscillator. That's when I'm just like, yep. It's not on the Fisher either. Log return Z score, yeah. But if I just see it on the Z score, that's okay. That's okay. Because I've seen it I've seen this thing have like a little bullish reset. You know what I mean? I'll just go sideways as it pulls back down.
Yep.
Why everything else sets up some div to the downside. Drop the returns oscillator down. Set up some bull or hidden bear in the talk or hidden bull, dude. Oof. Well, those bands just collapsed on price action, as we have two. I mean, yesterday, nice volatile candle. We got a move coming. I mean, this thing just teasing us. Teasing. I mean, I love looking at this, right? You have this volatility drop off a cliff right here. Usually when that happens, you're going to get a nice move. And did it ever. Banded pretty much to 100%, negatively correlated the whole time. Just dropping like a rock. I think I ever looked at what changes the weekly made. Huh. Would be great to see a nice outlier on the weekly to the top side. Yep. That was the 29K low. That outlier took it to 50. 20K move. Nothing wrong with that. That put it, yeah. $50,000 Bitcoin's going to put Solana at about $100. This old bubble geese only going to cost me about 2 Sol.
Let's go.
Let's go now. Let's do it. Yeah, this 5-day, man. My God, this was a nasty hidden bear, but not really. It's just crazy. It's wanting some more. Yeah, you know what? I am having some issues with the 5-day, but it's on the back burner. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you not disappearing? Why are you still on? Oh, probably because I'm still on it. No. Why is it still on there?
Yeah, we're gonna come out of this weekly. Weekly
Do what?
applause.
Well, look at that. Oh my God, you guys, we've got a 90-minute BART in progress.
Yeah.
Look at that 90-minute candle.
You gotta love it.
Volatility just went through the roof. Huh.
Man, that's a heck of a sell right there.
Dude. Yeah. I know. If I gotta get back to old move.
It's like a 5 standard deviation on the 45 minute. It's busting through the the old what do you call it? Freaking, I can't even think straight. Busting through the laser returns. Well, look at this candle.
Yeah. The boo-boo. It's not even done. Jesus, we just got it. It's only half gone. Send it down to like 29.3 or something.
We could give up this whole move in one candle.
Just the dum-dums that didn't take their profit are losing it all right now. You know what's even funnier? They're still not out. They just wait.
That's the classic stair step up, elevator down, right there.
This 90-minute reverse wave trend and Fisher needs a hold. This thing needs to pull up. Yeah, 90-minute chart I like a lot. Well, I mean, nasty dip. Nasty. All higher highs, all lower highs. 1, 2, boom. Outlier. Yep. 4-hour reverse wave trend right now. Remember, I was talking over here going, oh, this is great. This is great. No, it's not. Now we just did the same thing. Back up above it. And here we go. It's a 4-hour going to hold the reverse wave trend. I mean, got a perfect wick to it. Man, look at these log return moving averages. Them are looking real pretty. The 33 is finding support on the 99. then 9 breaks through. Get a nice little suck up here. That'll be a nice wick to knock all these dum-dums out of their position. Have you noticed the longs on Bitfinex? If you haven't, they've never been this high. They're like 3 times higher than they've ever been. It's insanity.
Yeah, they're wiping those clowns out.
90,135 Bitcoins are long on Bitfinex. There's only 2,420. There's that 420. I added one. So I like that number. So, wow. A lot of people are saying, damn it, that was the bottom. Be like, yeah, I've been saying it for freaking about a month. It is a bottom, in my opinion. I think we saw the bottom. What was that, 25, 26? Don't even remember now, for crying out loud. There it is. That ain't even it, is it? Nope, there's that wick. Yep, 25.4. That was a beaut there. And slow. Look at the volatility in that 4 hour, right? We went sideways all that time. Party time. Guys, Jesus Christ. So many good trades. It's ridiculous. It was 15 minutes. Let's turn that off. Just look at the price action. That's just since the 26th. And I guarantee you there's people out there right now making deposits into exchanges. Because they lost money.
Yeah, got to cover their margin calls.
Oh boy. Powerful 15-minute outlier. That thing is stiff, man. You don't see too many wild woodies like that one. That guy's getting down right there. Holy shit. And that's what's great. I mean, pretty much that whole move on that 90-minute candle's just really been 2 15-minute candles. Yep. Majority of it. Well, we're just looking at that big ass, what appeared to be a big ass move. 2 15-minute candles move 3%. Look at that. But YouTube Jimmy wants you to use leverage. Are all crooks. The whole YouTube Jimmy mafia, man. Crooks. Stealing retail traders' money. Teaching them how to draw on charts like a bunch of kindergartners. And use very lagging indicators. My indicators don't lag, Bilbo. Yeah, they do. Are your indicators built on their returns? No. Well, then they're lagging. Pretty simple. I mean, we're cooking. Bitcoin got volatility. Oof. You gotta love it. I mean, this is a wet dream for volatility traders. It's just non-stop. I mean, what are we gonna do? Go right into an outlier, the top side, send the variance into the roof?
That'd be hilarious.
Sorry, almost out the top of my computer screen.
That's crazy. Yeah, look at that. What was the last one there? 26th.
Yeah, this big move down right here.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's...
We just bounced off the weekly Laplace. Let's see if we can get anything going here.
Yum, 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 yum.
Bottom
You
of the
talking
weekly
big?
VRE, bottom of the or top of the weekly 68 Laplace.
What? No.
Let's go.
We're back down to the top side of the 68.3
That's what I
Laplace on
just
the
said.
weekly. Oh, I thought you said down there. Yeah, hell, that's a 28.3. 4.
Yeah, we don't want
Yeah,
that.
kick it right back up from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just bounced right off of it. Maybe. Maybe we do a 1SD to the top side, 68.3 to the downside. All you knuckles that aren't taking profit. Oh my goodness. Feel sorry for it. It's okay though. You will learn at some point.